This is a fan heater from MIKA. We're going to unbox it. This is how it is packaged. It also comes with a manual and a warranty of 1 year. This is how it looks. It is white in color. This is the side view. And this is the back view. Let's look at the features that it has. It has an integrated handle that makes it easy to carry. It has a power indicator, which is this red thing here that indicates when the room heater is on. It also has a temperature control switch. It has a fan and a grill. It also has a 3-pin square plug that goes into the socket and a very long cable that makes it convenient. It has a tip over safety switch which switches off the heater once it falls or tips over. So let's look at how it works. So this is the temperature control switch. You can set the temperature to be low or high by rotating the knob, and this other knob has 3 settings. You can set it to a fan. That means it will be operating as a fan as it is indicated here. You can also set it as low or high depending on whether you want it to produce a lot of heat or low heat. So once you plug in the plug and switch on the power, you can set the temperature that you want, and you can regulate the temperature with this knob. So you can change between the heater and the fan using this knob, and you can regulate the amount of heat using this other knob. So when choosing a room heater, it is best if you choose one with the thermostat so that you can stop the heater when it reaches a certain degree of temperature, or at least consider a timer-based heater so that it can get switched off after some duration of time. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.